Okay, this is Equal Stuff Ireland Crypto, and yeah, I'm back. I'm going to make a couple of videos, and yeah, if you're still here, we've been in the we've gone through absolute mayhem. It's been bloody, and yeah, we've got corrected big time. Okay, Bitcoin has dropped hugely. We're still in a bear market. And what I'm going to do here is just going to go through a couple of things with Polkabridge and what I'm seeing in the charts. So we've been through hell. We've been through, we've been through 3 Hours Capital. We've been through Luna. We've been through SPF. We've been through like the FTX fiasco. We have the SEC coming after staking now. So everything seems to be the narrative, and the Fed increasing interest rates is killing us for the last year. I haven't even made a video for the last year because of the fact that there's like 2 people looking at the videos. It's absolutely pointless. But you know what? I haven't gone anywhere. I've been here. I've been accumulating. I'm still at it, and so I haven't gone anywhere. So 1 second there. See if this is recording. Okay, so I haven't gone anywhere. I have, obviously, like everybody else out there, I've lost quite a lot, and in the stuff I've been hodling, but nothing goes down forever, like nothing goes up forever. Okay, so I suppose at the moment where I would think we're closer to the end of the bear market, and we're getting very, very close. You look at the hash ribbons indicator. You look at the pi cycle indicator, there's loads of the MACD crossover. You look at the monthly chart. Everything is, I suppose, looking like we might be coming out of the bear market in the next couple of months. That's my opinion and what I'm seeing from the charts. Okay, so right now I'm just going to go over Polkabridge. Polkabridge, which is fantastic. It has, I suppose, Polkabridge as a project, we got hit really, really badly. We have come from, this is KuCoin, and as you can see here, I'm just going to get my arrow if I can. We've come from, what is that, $5 in KuCoin. I remember the day we launched, and we have done nothing but continuously go down. Okay, and you can see that quite clearly there, guys. We've had a massive drop. Okay, which again, I was saying everything in a bear market, and especially the alts, will come down, and they'll come down heavy, okay? And heavier than most. Now, this is the 3-day chart we're looking at here, okay? Now, if we go to the weekly just for a second, you can see here, and I hope I've got the resolution correct. I've got all my resistances lines up above. But you can see quite clearly here, we've had engulfing candle after engulfing candle, okay? Now I'm just going to go back to the 3-day chart for a second. And here we had a double bottom, a triple bottom really, okay? And we broke out of the neckline of that. And we've now gone in and forming, okay? What are we forming? One of my favorite lovely things that I've seen Polkabridge in the last bull run form over and over again is a cup and handle. Okay, so cup and handles are bullish formations. Okay, so here we have the cup, here we have the handle. Okay, we've got a beautiful channel here running up that we've stayed in and we've broken out of. We broke the neckline of the cup and handle. Okay, and the target has been hit. Okay, the target of the cup and handle was here. Okay, from the neckline breakout, you can see we had resistance here, 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 here again. We got knocked back down here. We came up and we've attacked the resistance, broke through it, came back, retested, and we've broken up, hit the target. We're now coming back down. What are we doing right now? Okay, so we can see this again. This is the 3-day chart. I'm going to go on to the daily chart here for a second. And we've come back and retested our channel, right? Beautifully, you can see that. Come back and retest channel up off it, bounced off it, and we've hit the daily as well. There's a daily right on that channel, so we bounced right off it. Okay, so I'm just going to go to the 4 hour for a second, and on the 4 hour you can see there was a lovely bounce right there, okay? Right on the channel that we broke out of. It was a back retest, back into it, and bounce, okay? We went up, we have resistance right above us between 12 cent and 13.13782 cents, okay? Now we're trying to make a move up there again, okay? Now we do have some fibs up here, okay? If we go, and I'll get my fib tool, and we make a run, let's try from here up to there, right? So that's not the correct place, but if we run it up from here to there, there's your golden pocket right here, and we had a beautiful back test in this area here. Okay, we had a lovely back test off the channel, off the daily, and off the 0.618 and the 0.65. We bounced off the 0.618, which is the golden pocket. Okay, that's the 0.702 and that's the 0.786. All right, so we've had a lovely response here, and you know, Polkabridge, I suppose, with the AI narrative and the staking narrative, they're, you know, they've been building. They've got their P2P exchange. We also have another line coming up here of support. Watch this up here, okay? So we've got another line of support. We could get something like this on the lower time frames, and we could have another breakout up, okay? Now, the great thing to see about Polkabridge is what they've been doing and their narrative. And they've been basically, throughout the whole bear market, they have been developing, and which is a fantastic sign for I suppose, a project to survive a bear market and then go into a bull run. Because we now have, you know, Launchpad, we have a multi-chain AMM, we have the P2P exchange. They're now working on an AI narrative. So, I mean, going forward, and, you know, like, Launchpads run insanely in bull runs. But we're not just a launchpad anymore. We've got everything. We have the mainnet coming as well. So where we've been and where we've come from has been epic. This chart looks good, okay? This chart looks very, very tasty, okay? I'm going to go to the weekly for a second. Okay, so you can quite clearly see, all right, you can see here, I hope you can see that in my screen, that we have broken the structure here, the downtrending slope line. Okay, we have bounced off the 200 weekly or daily, sorry, and we've broken that. Okay, 200 daily moving average. Okay, we came back and back tested, and boom, popped. Okay, generally speaking, when you see an asset break the 200 day, okay, they'll generally jump around 20-30% from the breakout. We have a little handle there as well, okay? So where do I see it going from here? Well, we have a bit of resistance above us. Okay, I'm going to go into the 4 hour right now. And I know, look, this looks crazy and it's hard to see, and I hope you can see it. But right now, we do have a bit of resistance above us, okay? So we've got a little pocket of resistance, which we did hit and we pulled back. Let's try to get this properly formed. So we do have resistance above us, and what I'm seeing here is this area here, okay, between 12 and 13. We need to break up here and break in here and make it as support, okay? And then our next little pocket of resistance is up around the 15 cent mark. We've got rejected here already. You can see that quite clearly, okay? We've rejected here once, twice already, okay? So we need to break up here and make that into support. And then our next area we're moving towards is between 16 and 18 cent, okay? This is our next little pocket of resistance, okay? When I look at the weekly, and I'm just going to go back to the weekly again, you know, there's very little between us once we break certain areas, okay? So we've broken the downtrend, the major weekly downtrend. We bounced off the 200 daily moving average. We've gone into cup and handle. We've hit the actual support, or the target up here, up around 14, 15 cent. where there is a pocket of resistance. You can see here is our next pocket on the weekly, okay, which I just outlined there earlier on, right? You can see here is the area. We got rejected twice here already, okay? Once we break the major part of this whole thing here is up around the 22 cent to 24 cent region. Once we break that area, we're going up to 44 cent, okay? So I do see that we have, you know, a big area up here to break yet. And once we break that area, make it into support, we're moving up here to 44 cent, up around that region, okay? So this is our main area on the weekly of resistance up ahead of us, okay? There's a small bit of resistance above us as well, 15 cent area where we got rejected already, okay? Then we have the 16 to 18 cent, and then we have the 22 to 24 cent region, okay? So overall, it's looking, we've broken a massive downtrend, okay? And actually above, like when I look at, like, you know, you go up quickly, you come down quickly, okay? And you can see how quickly we came down, okay? But having said that, once we break, you know, the 44 cent region, 45 to 48 cent region, is a quick move up to the 88 cent region, okay? So Polkabridge is looking healthy. I like the chart overall. It's a tasty looking chart. Technically, we have the, you know, we have a lot of things going on. We're moving in now to, I would consider it's actually probably even a bull flag, okay, but we have support here, and I'll just mark that off here. And I'll make a little quick bull flag, which is another, you know, let's go back to a lower time frame, maybe an hourly, and there you go, there's your bull flag, okay? Now I understand all the colors above you and below you and all this sort of stuff is driving you wild, but there is some sort of a flag going on there, and you can see that right there now. Okay, so look, our major, look, we basically the 14, 15 cent region, then the 16 to 18, and then the 22 to 24, okay? So again, everything is dependent on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin dumps, right? If Bitcoin hasn't finished its leg down and we go down and scoop the lows on Bitcoin, Polkabridge will go back down to its lows more than likely. Again, it could create a higher low. Okay, so don't be under any illusions. But, you know, I'm still investing in Polkabridge. I still think they have a lot to give, and they are developing, which is a great sign of an actual, and actually this is a better chart here. Okay, a bit clearer to see. There's less going on. All right, you can see here that we have, you know, we needed to break through here, resistance, we got like knocked back, major resistance, we went back down, major resistance, went back down, came up, attacked it, made the handle of the cup and handle, broke through, okay, came back, retested, went into a bit of a bull flag and pop, and we're back testing the daily right here, and we also have our channel coming up here absolutely beautifully, and it's actually testing the bottom or the top of the channel now as well, and on the daily, and we also have our fib. Okay, so technically it's quite a lovely chart, and I haven't seen this in quite a while from Polkabridge, and you know, it's a great sign, because when the actual bull run arrives, this could be, you know, I think it'll run again, and it'll run quite hard, because there's very little resistance above us, as I showed a while ago, and once we get past certain areas, you know, I think we will run. Okay, so this is just a quick synopsis of Polkabridge. I haven't gone anywhere, I'm still here. and this is just like my, my own take on Polkabridge. This is my first video back, obviously a bit rusty. So anyway, look, I hope you enjoy the video. This is Equal Surf Ireland. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. I'll be doing Polkabridge videos, I'll be doing other alts as well, and I'll be doing Bitcoin going forward. But obviously these videos take quite a lot of my time. I've been really, really busy as well. So yeah, I made some time. So awesome, guys. That's where I'm seeing it moving to. The chart technically looks quite nice, but again, do not panic. If we even pull back to here, we're going to the back to the neckline of the actual cup and handle. All right, so this is Equal Surf Ireland Crypto, checking out here, guys. And look, give me a like, give me a subscribe, and yeah, awesome. First video back in a year.